All right, everybody, we are on level 5 of lesson 18 on CSS pseudo-classes. Let's get into seeing how this is done. We're going to combine pseudo-class with classes. What if you have more than one hyperlink and you want to style them differently? Normally, when we have several of the same element, but we want to style one of them differently, we would give that element a class attribute. Good news! We can do the same thing with pseudo-classes. To do this, we would use our class attribute in our selector instead of the anchor tag like this. So special visited, color purple. Okay, let's try it. Do this in the HTML file. All right, so that's where we are now. Give the first hyperlink a highlight class attribute. Okay. I'm gonna guess. Hmm. Normally I'd put it. Well, let's find out. Highlight. Let's see if I did that right. All right. We'll find out. So in the CSS file. All right. So highlight, hover. Okay, and then style the state with different background color. All right, so background color, we're gonna make pale turquoise. That works. And then font size, we'll make 32. That's big. All right, so let's see what happens. Hey, it worked. Okay, good. All right, so in the preview window, click the refresh and save. It did work. Excellent. Okay, so is that it? Style. Okay. Um, okay, so that was easy. Level 5 is done. We're going to click the orange finish button, and I will see you on level 6. Here we go.